Safe children, today we are going to start last chapter of the unit of detection and detectives. This is the third chapter and it is Stalingrad snipers. Stalingrad is the name of the place and snipers are the person who shoot from the hiding place. So let's start reading. By October of 1942, a German sharpshooter, Major Konings, was dispatched to Stalingrad. His purpose? To kill Vasily Zhetsov. Word of his arrival spread to the Soviet defenders. Vasha was worried. He had killed many enemy snipers, but only after he had a chance to observe their habits. Like stalking his prey in the Tyaga, the Siberian needed time to observe Koning's routines. No one knew where or how the German would strike. For 2 days, Vasily and Nikolai Kulikov looked for signs of the German. Keeping low under cover, they used binoculars to scan the horizon. They studied enemy lines. With a battle going on and around them, Vasha and Nikolai looked for one man. They saw no irregularities. Konings had given them no clues. On the third day, Danilov wanted to accompany Zhetsov, thinking he had spotted the German. The commissar stood up to point him out. Koning shot him in the shoulder. There was one more shot that day. Zhetsov wanted to test whether he had found the German's hiding spot. His instincts told him Konings was under a sheet of iron, near a disabled tank and a pile of bricks. In Enemy at the Gates, William Craig relates what happened next. To test his theory, Zhetsov hung a glove on the end of a piece of wood and slowly raised it above the parapet. A rifle cracked and he pulled the glove down hurriedly. The bullet had bored a hole straight through the cloth from the front. Zhetsov had been correct. Konings was under the sheet of iron. Now let me have you the explanation of this chapter. This chapter is an account of how sniper who was sent to shoot someone was located by a detective. A German sharpshooter, Major Konings, was sent to kill Vasily Zhetsov, a Russian. The news spread like a fire of the jungle. Vasha was a detective. He had killed many snipers like Major Konings, but only after knowing about their habits, routines and the manners they strike their prey. Vasily and Nikolai, looking for the sniper, they used binoculars to scan the horizon, took stock of the enemy lines, means enemy area, but Konings left no clues to them. After the constant search on the third day, Danilov thought that he had spotted the German. Major Konings shot him in the shoulder. Zhetsov, who was also there, tried to test his assumption that the Koning had been hiding under the iron sheet. He hanged a piece of glove on a piece of wood and raised it above the parapet. When it was raised above the parapet, a shot from the iron sheet pierced the glove. This way, Zhetsov was invariably correct. Now let us go through the question answers. First question is, why was Major Konings dispatched to Stalingrad? Major Konings was dispatched to Stalingrad to kill Vasily Zhetsov. Why was Vasha worried? Vasha was worried as he had no idea about the habit and routine of the German sniper and the manner he strikes his prey. Why could the Russians not find any signs of the enemy? Russians could not find any signs of the enemy as German sniper had not given them any clues. Why did the Zhetsov want to test? The Zhetsov wanted to test whether he had found the German's hiding spot. Next, was his theory correct? Why? Yes, His assumption that German sniper would be hiding under the iron sheet proved to be correct. Joseph hung a glove on the end of a piece of wood and slowly raised it above the parapet. The bullet was shot from the red sheet in front, which bored a hole straight through the cloth.